I've been working on a fall outdoor display. I've got some ideas to share with you. Hi, this is Belinda from Belinda's DIYs. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're ready, let's get started. So I went to my favorite store, Dollar Tree, and I came across these stickers. I hadn't seen them before, and so I had to grab them because I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. Dollar Tree has these stackable pumpkins, and they come in a set of 3. Well, I only have these 2 because the bottom one I used it on another DIY. So anyhow, I thought these stickers will work great. I didn't want these 2 pumpkins to go to waste. So I picked out the stickers that I wanted and I started on the smallest pumpkin and then I moved on to the bottom one. I thought the words were so cute. The bottom one will say beautiful. So I'm done adding the stickers and this is how they look. And now I'm just going to snap them into place. And this is how they turned out. Although I've taken off the stickers, I'm still going to save this because this can also be used as a stencil in the future. So I'm just going to cut out that piece that I used. I've had this piece of fall floral. I don't really know where I got it, but I'm going to use this in the top of my pumpkin. And I'm just going to attach it. It does have a wire already. This turned out so cute. Now I'm going to be adding this to my outdoor display. Now I have this Walmart pumpkin pail and I bought several a while back and I made a whole bunch of DIYs using them. Well, I had this one left over and I have one more idea for this. It involves using a solar light and this is only $1. This you can find at Dollar General. So I'm going to start by taking it apart and then placing the end of the middle cylinder at the bottom of my pumpkin to make a marking as to where I need to make a hole. And now I'm going to use my handy drill to make that hole. And then I'm going to move in with my box cutter to carve out the rest of the hole. Now I'm just going to place my cylinder in the hole and boom, it goes right in. Now I'm ready to add the solar light on top. But first I'm going to add some super glue to the opening. That way it'll have a permanent hold since it'll be going outside. I'm going to give it a few hours so the glue can harden before I put it outside. This is what I've done to my display so far. Now I'm going to add these 2 items that I've just created, starting with the stackable pumpkins and then the solar lighted pumpkin. I'm going to use these LED tea lights and I'm going to place it on my stackable pumpkins. I decided to add one more. I also got these solar light tea lights and these I'm going to put them in my other pumpkins and let me show you where I used these. I put one on this lantern that I DIY'd a while back and also on the other one because it's a set of 2. And I'm also going to use one in this pumpkin here and also on this one. The reason you see some orange on that rim is because I had stacked 3 of them together and I decided to pull them apart. So this is how my display looks right now. I don't think I'm going to add anything else, but this is how it looks like during the day. The majority of the things that you see there are from Dollar Tree. And this is what it looks like at night. And just for fun, if you recognize any of the DIYs that I've made, please let me know. I'm just curious if you can find them. Also, if you're interested in these tea lights that I've used, I'm going to go ahead and link them on my Amazon store. They'll be under My Tools. My Amazon store is linked in the description box. If you stayed this far in the video, I truly appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed my fall outdoor decor and you were able to gather some ideas for your own outdoor decor. Well, that'll be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.